Hey everybody, welcome to my channel. My name is Pam and Pamela's Creations, and I am doing a Beebeecraft project share little demonstration. And this is one of their first products, this here. I made the charm, but so this is the kit I got from Beebeecraft right here. And these are all my favorite colors because I absolutely love pastels. And they have different sizes in here, and I use the small ones for these. And what Beebeecraft is they have a YouTube program for YouTubers. If you have 100 subscribers or more and make videos, they'll send you the product for free. I think it's $40 and under. And all you gotta do is open their package, show the videos, and then demonstrate or do a project share after you make their product with their stuff. And I took advantage of that. I was like, oh, heck yeah. So you have to have 100 subscribers, and they'll send you the product. Now, I can link the YouTube program down below in the description box. And I'll also link down this kit I got. It came with this and some wires, or some elastic, and some scissors, and this little tiny bunny in here, which I thought was absolutely darling. Right here. See? Isn't that cute? So yeah. So what I'm going to do with it is I'm just going to make a bracelet. Now, I made this one already, like I said, and this is my own, this was my own glass bead. It's a butterfly, a pearl, and then I just turned it into a little dangle. And it's super cute. And then I use this cement glue. I love using it for beading. It's very, very, very good to use. I love it. So let's get started. Now, I cut it some elastic. It's about, I don't know, 10 inches or so. Yeah, 10 inches or so, 10, 11 inches. I just like to cut a little extra to have. My daughter loves these colors, and these are my favorite colors, and I thought the butterfly was cute. And what I did is I took my bracelet thing, and I can measure the size that I want. So this one was this one here, and then I'm doing a 7.5 here. So I'm going to use my bead stopper because let me tell you, this is about really, I have troubles keeping my beads on, and I got this little thing at Michael's. Comes in handy. I've had it in my stash for a long time. I am not a, okay, so I like making memory wire bracelets myself, and see, that's on there. That way when you bead up, it doesn't come off. I truly hope you guys can see this. Just because I don't really have a way of, my camera stand's not that wonderful. Okay, so I cut about, I don't know, 11 inches or so of this elastic. And what I'm going to do is, I have a hard time seeing these because the lighting really stinks in here. But I'm just going to follow my pattern here. And I'm just going to bead these on. I really hope you guys could see this. Excuse my gluey fingers. So, like that. And it's just nothing to it. I wanted it kind of simple for tutorial purposes, because these are hard to see. So once you get it in there, you just follow your pattern. And I like their products. This container the beads came in was locked really well. It was pretty secure. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to continue beading these on here. I'm going to pause the video for a second so you don't have to see me just, you know, bead away on this. All right, I'm going to pause you real quick and I'm going to continue beading. All right, everyone, so this is what it looks like. All done. So it just goes right like that. So it's like 7.5 inches or so. And so I thought I'd make a dangle like I did on this one real quick. And I'm using the smaller eye pins. You can get them at Michael's. They've been in my stash for a while, so sometimes I use the shorter ones. And I just put it through the like that, and then I added a little glass. Oops, y'all, my fingers are too fat, I think, for this. So, what I'm going to do is I'm going to clip a little bit of this off. Okay, isn't that cute? And I'm going to probably, I kind of like eyeball it a little bit, kind of where my, I don't know, I kind of go by my thumb. I just kind of cut down, and I take my tool and I kind of take my thumb and I kind of just go in this direction, kind of like maybe a 90-degree angle or so, and I'm just gonna turn it back this way. Well, this is really hard to do in the camera here. Okay, kind of like that. Just kind of a little simple, like that. Okay, that's my cute little dangle. You can probably cut it off more, but I kind of like it to hang a little bit. Plus, you know, my eyesight is really stinking lately. So, and then I take my jump ring. You know, you can get your little extra dangle in there. You know, I just gotta make sure it's on there. I'm gonna put you down a little bit. If it wasn't for me trying to see, it would not. I mean, this is getting funny now. Let's just. I'm gonna try this other light here in a little bit, because I gotta make some other things. Okay, so now that we got it on there, you take your end. I guess you don't really have to put it on there. I like them. I like jump rings. I don't know why. I just do. Now it's all together, like so. You could take your bead stopper off, like so. And I like to tie it a couple times like that. And I have done elastics, and the way I'm doing this right now, I've never had a problem them coming apart. Not once. So, just like to make a couple of ties on here. Oh, Lordy. This is funny. Okay. Oh, at least you can come for comic relief, you know what I mean? Me and my daughter have the same taste in colors, except she's more of an orange person a little bit. Not this kind of orange, but like pumpkin orange type color. So, all right. So, for extra protection, what I like to do is I like to take this wire here, and I'm going to just run it through real quick. Take this off camera a little bit so I can get my angle. You know, here where I live, it has not been the greatest weather, I gotta say. What I like normally is using a beading needle. Those are handy, but I don't have any more. I don't know where they went. So what I did is I just stuck it through there and just kind of went through there, and then kind of go through here that way. Yeah. There we go. And like that. And let's see if we can probably do one more. Right there. And I'm going to snip this part off. Okay. And then we're going to do the other side right here. Because to me, doing it this way is a little bit better. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to do this off camera real quick, and I will be right back. All right, I'm back. That's what it looks like. Pretty cute. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to just take a little bit of the cement glue and just dab it on there. Let it dry. Oops. Just let it dry. And then I'll cut the rest off there. Okay. And then kind of just like what I do is I just kind of put something in these areas so I can let it dry. And that's my bracelet. I hope you liked it all. It's pretty cute. My daughter is, I'm giving it to my daughter. She likes this kind of thing. And she's kind of feeling a little down about herself. So, zoom, there we go. So, also I'll have a promo code down below. Promo code will be Pam5, I think it is. I'll verify and I'll put it down, or I'll put it in this video. And you do get $5 off if you spend $40. You get $5 off if you use that promo code too. So I'll link everything down below that I used today. And yeah, please subscribe, hit the notification bell if you want to see more of my videos. I'm also on Instagram, Twitter, and I have a Facebook like page, and I will also link those down below. All right, y'all. Take care of yourselves. Bye.